Hi, I'm Ronnie Smith of Ronnie Smith Kennels. I am proud to tell you about Garmin's newest product, the Pro 550 Plus. The Pro 550 Plus combines the robust training features from Garmin's Pro Series dog training devices and incorporates simple, at-a-glance tracking for when training ends and hunting begins. This model is the next generation of Garmin's flagship Pro 550 series, which is widely used by professional trainers across the country. For those of you familiar with the Pro 550 system, you'll notice the Pro 550 Plus contains a new digital display at the bottom of the handheld device. This is the new tracking component, and it gives you complete tracking information on an easy-to-read screen. You can train and track up to 3 dogs with the Pro 550 Plus. To change dogs, simply flip the toggle switch to the associated dog collar. If your dog is stopped, a small dot will appear in the top left-hand corner. The 550 Plus has a range of 2 miles, so you know exactly where your dog is at a glance. The Pro 550 Plus comes with one TT15 dog device with a 1-inch collar. The dog device is already paired with a handheld device, so you just need to turn it on and you're ready to go. The Pro 550 Plus is also compatible with the T5 track-only dog devices. Pairing the dog device to the handheld is almost as simple as it gets. There are 2 antennas on the TT15. This small puck is a GPS antenna which updates your dog's location every 2.5 seconds. For best reception, the GPS antenna should always ride on top of the dog's neck. You want to make sure you have a good GPS fix before you put the collar on the dog. The collar light will flash 3 times in green when you have optimal GPS signal. The second antenna, made of rugged aircraft cable, is responsible for transmitting your dog's location to your Pro 550 Plus handheld device, and also for making corrections. When putting the collar on, make sure the antenna is pointing up. This will give you maximum tracking capabilities. Garmin is known for creating products that work together. For those of you already using Garmin's DriveTrack vehicle-based tracking system or Phoenix watch, this means you can easily incorporate the Pro 550 Plus features to these products and enhance your tracking capabilities. And that is the Pro 550 Plus, Garmin's most robust training, now with the simplest dog tracking solution.